guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marta. I have started my small business about a month ago and I wanted to share with you how it's been going. So a little bit about my business. My business is called To The Moon's Designs. I specialize in making handmade accessories and bags and tote bags and just a lot of different girly accessories. So I started in November and I have never sold anything that I made before. I did start posting videos on this channel about 6 months ago and I've been doing like little video tutorials and DIYs, and I never really thought that I could make it into a business. I just thought that I would be, because I love sewing and that's what I enjoy, but I didn't really think of making it a business right away. But then after I have been doing a bunch of videos, I realized that I want to do more sewing, but I don't really need anything for myself. And I made a couple of things for my friends, like custom orders for my friends, and I realized that maybe I could try it out and start selling maybe at vendor markets, like craft and arts markets, and start selling online. But I am very new to all of it. I'm very new to social media marketing and selling online. I watched a lot of videos. I have been watching a lot of girls on YouTube who also have small businesses, and I've just been learning slowly a little bit from everyone and seeing what works for me. I knew that I wanted to start selling online, but I knew that I didn't want to sell on Etsy because I have tried it before and it wasn't the good fit for me, but because I wouldn't get any direct traffic like from Etsy recommending my stuff. And even when I tried to like share my Etsy shop with people and tell them my like shop name, they couldn't find it because Etsy doesn't really let you do it unless you go into settings and like change what you're looking for. Like you have to choose a setting that says looking for shops, and not everyone can find it on their computer. I don't know if you can even do it on your phone. So it would suggest them someone else with maybe similar name or similar product, so they couldn't even find my shop on Etsy, and that was really frustrating. And all the traffic that I would get there would be from Pinterest because I would post my postings on Pinterest, and that's how I get a little bit of views on there. I never really sold that much. I sold one book sleeve that I made, and I only uploaded on there. I was like, I don't care, like what if? And it sold like maybe 3 months after. And the thing is, Etsy charges you every time you want to post something, and when it doesn't sell, you just keep losing money. So I knew that it wasn't for me, and a lot of creators that I watch, they also have been saying that Etsy has changed and people have been trying to move away from it and opening up their own website, since they already have to do marketing for their products, for their brand. Why wouldn't they make their own website where it doesn't take so many fees out and it's so much more customizable? So yeah, that's how I knew that I wanted to open my website right away. And I did it last month. I did it through Square because it's one of the platforms that offers free website domains. It of course says Square in your domain and your website name after, but I don't care about it that much for now. I don't have the budget to buy a domain. I know that I want to move to Shopify eventually, but you have to pay monthly for that, and it's not in my budget yet, but I know that eventually I definitely want to do that. So if you guys are looking for some good places where you want to open up your shop, if you have the budget, definitely recommend Shopify because I know a lot of people use it and they love it. But if you're like me and you're trying to save every little penny everywhere, I recommend Square. My mom actually told me about it because she has her own website there for her hair styling business, So yeah, I never knew that they did it for free. I thought that you had to pay to. They have a premium version on there that you could pay for and get more features on it. But I just need the basics for now, and I just want to get my name out there and get like as many orders as I can. And then whenever it becomes steady, I get steady orders, then I'm definitely going to move to somewhere where I can customize my website better. I'm gonna walk you through my statistics too. I want to be very transparent about how much I made, how much traffic I'm getting on my website now after posting a lot on all the platforms. I post on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and I try to be consistent on all of them. On TikTok, a couple of my videos went viral, so it really helped me grow my following. I went from like 150 followers to 2,000 in like 2 months maybe. So yeah, that was really good. And on Instagram, I've had 500 followers for 10 years now, and I still have 500 followers. Even though I'm trying to post on Instagram now too, it just doesn't get you followers somehow. It's very different from TikTok. And on YouTube, I'm at 1,700 right now. So yeah, YouTube and my TikTok are growing, but Instagram, no matter what I try, it doesn't grow. I'm not worried about that too much though. I'm trying everywhere, and whatever works out, it works out, and I'm happy about it. I have done 3 markets now at this time. My first one was not a good fit for me. It was not a right market for me to be at. So I'm not trying to diss the market or organizers. They're great, but it was my fault. I didn't pick the right one. It was a flea market, and a lot of people there are looking for like secondhand stuff and like good deals, but my things are handmade and are definitely not like $10 for a bag. It's more than that, because it takes me a long time to make one and materials and stuff. But then the second one was also not great, but better. It was better, because now the weather is kind of bad. It's cold here in North Carolina, so it's been slow at markets. Though funny enough, my market last week, other vendors that were there with me, they said that the week prior to that was busy. I was like, okay, cool, I guess it's not my week. And then whenever I went to a market yesterday, people said the same thing about last week. I'm like, why am I not at the right places ever at the right time? I'm always going to these markets whenever they're slowest for some reason. So yeah, that was really frustrating. Yesterday I made $6. I mean, after I made my vendor fee back. The vendor fee was $40 and I made 46 in summary, but yeah. At least I made my vendor fee back. I am happy about that. So I didn't lose any money, but I also only made $6. And at the one before that, I think the vendor fee was $30 and I made 70 something. So I did make maybe $30. So yeah, so far at markets, I made maybe a combined of $40 of profit. So I'm realizing winter markets are not for me, and that's why I'm trying to grow online as much as I can. So yeah, here I'm going to show you my statistics. So we can see on the screen that my net sales were $370, my gross sales were $419, and I had 12 transactions. It does say that I had returns and refunds. It's because one of my customers, she by mistake made 2 transactions and paid for 2 shipping fees instead of 1, because she forgot to add one of the items on there. So I had to refund both of those orders, and she had to make a new one. So she didn't have to pay like $10 for shipping, so she could pay $5 instead. So yeah, that's why there are refunds. I already had 1 returning customer, which is really amazing. And yeah, this is how much I made in basically 30 days after opening up my shop. So this is how much I made from online orders this month. And I think it's pretty good for my first month since I'm just starting out and not that many people know my brand. And I think the more I get my name out there, the more orders I'll get in the future. And now I'm trying to research more about social media marketing. I know I can get better at that, and there are so many things that I still need to do for my business, and I do really enjoy this process of researching things, of figuring things out myself, and learning new stuff, learning how to manage a business. I love being able to be my own boss. I love making my own schedule. So yeah, I'm really excited what this year is gonna bring, 2025. And for me to grow my business, I will keep you updated with everything that's going on. If you guys are interested in supporting my small business, you can check out my website in my bio, and you can subscribe to my channel to follow my journey of a small business owner who is a new small business owner. I thank you all who purchased from my website this month and supported me. It means a lot to me. And for everyone who even just watches my videos, it helps out a lot. It helps me grow my beautiful community of people that we have here right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.